What's up guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Panda Allen, your ultimate P-pop reactor. Today we're going to be reacting to another SB19, but not the song once again. Because I've already made the reaction video to Damn, a lyric video, reaction to the lyric video, an all-out Sunday performance, and of course the music video. So today we are going to continue because I've already started reacting to the first parts of the BTS or the behind the scenes of Damn. So today we are going to be reacting to the environment. All right, so I'm not really sure what that is about, but of course it maybe has something to do with the overall scenery of the project, the song, or whatever. But let's find out and react to this Damn the Making environment, which was uploaded yesterday. It says one day ago with 62,000 views. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Sounds like what?
Ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas?
Simula
Technically,
at
hindi pa
wakas.
siya masyadong ginagawa dito sa Pinas.
This is parang it's super big.
Nakita ko sila, how their brains work, how they create an idea.
We really want to send a message to all of the listeners.
It's definitely much bigger.
Of course.
Be ready, Ange. This is parang it's super big. Kumapit ako. Gano'n kalaki siya ganon. Kaya sabi ko, kaya ba? Kasi this is the first time na gumawa ako ng ganito kalaking set. As in, parang hindi ko rin inaasahan na kaya ko pala.
It's all about the set.
This time, yung set and props namin, mostly ginawa talaga siya from scratch. Yung concept ng Damn kasi is, ang hirap maghanap ng naturally ganun na siya. Usually sa music videos namin, pupunta talaga kami sa mga lugar kung saan makukuha namin yung hinahanap namin na vibe or yung dating talaga ng lugar. Punta kami ng kuweba, lumang mga bahay.
Nung pumunta kami dito para mag-ocular nung space ng studio, grabe, para akong nalula talaga ako dun sa laki nung chroma.
So around late November, minessage ako ni Ate IC. Sabi niya, Nico, ready ka na ba sa simula at wakas? So wala pang 1 minute nag-yes na ako. Tapos after that, dire-diretso na yung brainstorming meetings namin to get ready for preparing to pitch para sa music video.
You want it like windy, like foggy windy?
Doon talaga yung nasa isip ko.
Yeah, okay. I can just copy
Lagay
paste.
ka pa na isa pang scaffold, tapos malalaglag.
Yung
dito, yung parang may lightning emerald.
ano yan eh?
Oh, this is the director.
May curls if ever. Tapos,
Notes natin.
I think, tingnan nga natin. Prisoner.
Let's go!
Bukas na ang pagsimula.
Let's go. Ready na?
Sure ka?
Lahat ng tao na nakapaligid sa'yo na parang doon pa lang sa creative deck. Grabe nung sinend sa akin yung ni IC na sabi ko, IC, nung binabasa ko siya, parang nagtetel ng story. Tapos parang kinikilabutan ako kasi sabi ko, shucks, ano to? Parang pagka nabasa mo yung ganong parang brief, gusto ko siya ma-experience. Tapos gusto ko makita kung kaya talaga na magawa natin.
It was really ambitious, man.
ATIL to?
Oh, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Alphabet.
So for this project, mas naging close ko kasi yung 5 due to meeting halos every day with them. I've worked kasi with them for the past few years na rin, pero hindi ganito ka dikit sa opinions nila, 'di ba? Na minsan kasi I'll work with them pero yung ideas naka-hash out na for me, na ready to go, ready to execute na lang. Pero first time kasi ito sa Damn na from the start, from the birth pa lang ng idea, involved na kaming lahat all together. Lahat ng
That's really
ideas
good.
tinatapon lang during the meeting. Minsan, sobrang tagal na ng meeting, pero bagong ideas pa rin ng bago. Tapos minsan, kapag tapos na yung meeting, palabas na, lalapit si Ken, oh, Miko, actually, maganda din to.
In terms of music video, yung production nito ngayon, it's definitely much bigger.
Ganun din sila ka-excited, which is very motivational for us, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Nakita ko sila, how their brains work, how they create ideas.
Bakit ba nagkaganto ang daming tukso? Di kailangan tumakbo, dito lang ako. Kasalanan kong lahat ng to lang kumpay sa paggusto.
Sobrang ganda kasi ng ideas na binabato ng lahat ng kasama sa prod. So, ayokong i-limit sila sa hindi kaya. So for this music video, I forced myself din na mag-aral ng bagong software na mas advanced, mas kaya ng kailangan. Sobrang laki ng risk na tinitake namin.
For sure. Bro, the editing. CGI.
So at first, from the idea to sketch, to asking, to meeting, to meet halfway, kung paano ba siya, kung paano siya idudugtong, kung tama pa ba yung height, kung gaano kalaki. So for me, nung una nag-sketch ako, and then we asked kung hanggang saan yung limit.
As in, sobrang tagal kasi ng back and forth namin ni Ange specifically. Tapos sobrang, parang
Taas,
ang daming restrictions. So parang nag-resort kami to 10 steps.
10 steps.
Which means na maglaland yung problem sa akin na magiging mas
Extend,
marami.
Mas marami yung i-extend.
So,
Yeah.
sa final output, paano siya magmumukhang never-ending?
Yeah.
So, hindi lang sa taas ko i-extend, pati sa baba, underneath
The stairs.
Yeah,
ko i-extend.
So parang in between si
Oo,
Ken.
nasa gitna yung build ni Ate Ange. Tapos we decided, kapag kailangan ni Ken maglakad ng matagal,
Ulit.
pag lapit na niya sa 10th step, bababa na lang ulit siya, tapos maglalakad na lang ulit.
Bruh. That's so hard, bro. Wow.
What happened din
amazing.
before
That's world
that
class,
was,
bro.
Di ba kailangan natin in a way end officially yung pagtatag era? So, in-incorporate natin yung concept of yung sa concert yung pagtatag 3. Ilalagay natin yung story niya sa MV para lang may period na talaga yung story na yun. Diba?
I like the camera work too.
Kasi yung ginawa kong visuals sa pagtatag finale concert was the tree.
Yeah, the golden tree.
And naisip natin na pwede din siyang visuals for Dam para lang matahe from what pa lang eh. 'Di ba yung pagtanim ng puno sa pagtatag nag-bloom. Tapos dito sa simula at wakas.
Everything is connected.
yung kwento
Wow.
ng talagang
This has never done before,
yung
bro.
ending
Like
ng story
every
ng
song
tune
connects to
is
the next one.
Yung
bearing of fruit.
na apple.
So, medyo nag-brainstorm tayo na matagal doon. Para mabuo yung kwento from the start. Ange and Miko, magic yun. Kung paano from practical tree, CGI tree, na mukhang totoo and mukhang magical, mukhang touching, mukhang, mukhang puno, mukhang SB19 puno.
na connected pa rin doon sa pagtatag na tree.
Wow.
Flip mo na yung page yan, ha? Yan! Chaotic na! Happy birthday.
Ito yung frame talaga.
Whose birthday was it?
So hindi kita yung mga nasa grace.
Pag umansig
For me, ako nga, sabi ko palagi, kahit sobrang hirap yan, gagawin ko yan. Gagawin ko talaga yung 100% best. Alam yan ng everyone. Parang kailangan kong patunayan na kaya ko. So, eto na yun na parang sabi ko, sana nagustuhan nila. And then sana nagustuhan siya ng SB19 and sana magugustuhan siya ng 18.
Kahit na matagal
Of
ko
course.
na ka-work yung boys and other than
Bruh.
that, matagal na akong VFX
No one expected
artist.
this.
Parang palagi akong may kailangan pang patunayan or iaangat ko pa yung last na ginawa ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga gustong sayangin yung opportunities na ganito, na something as grand as this. Kaya talagang in all out,
It's an opportunity.
120% talaga ako dito. Sana talaga napatunayan namin yung kaya namin kasi as early as now, sobrang proud na talaga kami sa ginawa namin.
Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung music video ng Dam and the song itself.
Bruh.
Kasi pinag-effortan namin yun.
Kudos, bro.
We really want to send a message to all of the listeners and we want to inspire people. So sana po ay masuportahan nyo, pakinggan nyo, and ma-inspire kayo sa ginawa namin kanta at music video.
Of course, 100%. I don't know what's next after this. I mean, this was super good. Wow. I mean, they should make a movie on this. It's already a story. We just need a movie. Why not? I'll definitely watch this movie, bro. Wow. Damn, the making. Kudos to everyone involved in this project. Damn, it was really inspiring. It was really amazing to witness one of the best, well-created, well-thought project. It's not just it for me. It's not about this is not about P-pop anymore. Like, the standard should be like this from here on, considering the technology, everything that is happening around us. This is truly inspiring, especially to artists, to people who make songs, who inspire people. They should not settle for less. This is beyond like anyone's imagination, right? Like, this is not about the money anymore. This is about, you know, their passion to their craft, to their artistry, to their talent, to inspire the next generation of artists. Especially P-pop is rising, and they are the pioneers, right? They're like showing other P-pop groups that they deserve to be what they are now, and they set as an example to the next generation of artists. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for watching this reaction. If you liked it, if you did, click that like button down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and of course comment down below with any P-pop song that you, or any song that you want me to react. I'll make sure to react to them, but for now, I'll see you again in the next reaction video.